Hi, welcome to my channel. I wanted to give you a little bit of background about me and tell you more about what my channel is all about. So I'm Mateo Hawk, and I've been working in coding for a little while now. I last worked a normal 9-to-5 job as a data engineer back in 2017. So it's been a while since I've worked a standard job, but since then I've been working as a data scientist on Upwork. Showing you, I do have a profile. This is, I've been a real freelancer here. So a lot of what I learned how to do with freelancing is create practical projects. And a lot of times those were proof of concepts. And I found a lot of people at these companies would say, "Hey, Mateo, that sounds really cool what you're working on. I wish I could do that." And I created the channel to help teach people how to create cool proof of concepts. So my goal with the channel is to give you a quick tutorial series and starter code with everything from how to install things and then how to use the basics of it with some, basic application you can then tailor to whatever you're working on. So you can see I have a tutorial on chess, how to do analysis on it, how to just get started. If you wanted to do something more advanced in chess, I've got a tutorial series. And that's meant to be something you could do very quickly in a weekend learn and then use it to round up your own portfolio, use that to maybe, fall in love with coding again, or maybe help your portfolio in getting a job or transitioning within coding from one role to another, from maybe software to data science or data science to data engineering, etc. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thanks for looking into my channel. Feel free to get in touch with me and please like and subscribe so I can create more awesome content for you. Thanks.